a vegan chicken sandwich and popcorn chicken too. Hey everyone, Eric here. Welcome back to my channel. Today on Takeout Tuesday, we are tasting the KFC plant-based chicken sandwich and the plant-based popcorn chicken. I haven't had them yet. This is my first time. And hopefully it won't disappoint. Hopefully they gave me the right thing. Here's the sandwich. You got the sandwich just on a regular bun. The patty's made by Vanlife Foods. It's got the standard KFC coating on it. Looks pretty tasty. It's supposed to come with a vegan mayo and lettuce on there. So pretty simple. I also got an order of their popcorn chicken, plant-based popcorn chicken. And they're all pretty consistent size nuggets. Their regular popcorn chicken probably is too. You're mostly tasting the batter. And the batter doesn't seem to be like they're crunchy or their skin type. Kind of breaks apart like a shortbread cookie. Actually, it's sort of it's very floury, and that it doesn't really hold together the coating. And the inside kind of disappointing as far as the texture goes too. There's no bite to the chicken. Can you see that? You're focused in on that a bit. It's just some kind of meal that they press together. But it's not very dense, it's very soft. The taste you're getting is just a coating. I think they forgot some of the secret herbs and spices that are normally in the recipe. It tastes okay. It just is. Not too bad. Their order, small order of popcorn, plant-based popcorn chicken, same price as the regular popcorn chicken order. And their sandwich is the same price as what their Big Crunch sandwich would be. I also got some fries to round it out. So, can't go wrong with some fries. Let's give this sandwich a taste. You get a bite. It's got a little bit of the lettuce and the mayo and stuff in it. Get a little pokey at the sandwich there. Can you see that? Like that. The crust, the coating's throwing me off a little bit. It just doesn't strike me as that KFC coating. I don't know, it's a little bland, or if it's that texture, the way that I mentioned, that it's like, say when you bite into it, it almost melts, but not to like a smooth, it melts like to a, I can't explain it. As far as the taste of the rest of it, you know, I definitely wouldn't confuse that with a chicken breast because of the texture. But a regular chicken sandwich would be a pressed meat patty anyways. When it first came out, I heard different comments saying that it was dry. I don't think the patty itself is necessarily dry. That coating maybe the way it breaks down, that might seem like it's a bit dry. You know, to be a true judge, I guess. I haven't had KFC in over 3 years. This is definitely acceptable as far as an option goes. I feel like I'm not singing high enough praise for it. It's a good sandwich. Try a nugget with a bit of ketchup. Oh, it's not a nugget. Popcorn chicken. Ketchup doesn't change the flavor profile for me. Say, a non-plant-based eater out there needs to try one of these and the regular chicken sandwich and tell me what they think the difference is. If you're looking to eliminate chicken and you want a fast food fix, definitely give it a try. As far as a meal, you know, the sandwich and the individual fries, more than enough. Or I would say the popcorn chicken. There's a fair amount in this cup. So that and the fries, you know, I think that would definitely fill the requirement. I got both so that I could throw them in the same video. That's my excuse. I've read all kinds of comments in the past about what fryers they use to go and cook this in. I can probably say without a doubt that this was not cooked in a fryer with chicken, or that had chicken in it. There is definitely no chicken fat taste on this. I'm sure that if that was in a fryer that cooked chicken, you would taste it. There's no chicken fat taste on that whatsoever. I would give that a thumbs up as far as an option that you have now that you can stop somewhere. So if you're in Canada, swing by a KFC and try this. I would say if you're vegan, vegetarian, plant-based, just wanting to cut down some meat, give it a try. Thanks for watching this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Just click on that subscribe button down below there. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't like the video, you can give it a thumbs down. That's perfectly okay. And if you have any ideas on what you would like to see on other episodes of Takeout Tuesdays, put a comment down below. I'll make sure to take a look at it. And if it's something that I can pick up while I'm traveling in Canada, or if it's something I can make, if you'd like something homemade, I will give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you next week.